Force your way out, man. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, where the fuck are you going, Nissan? Late dive for that exit.
Turn right onto B175 North Road. In 3.3 miles. At the roundabout, take the second exit onto A113 London Road.
Give them a benefit of the doubt. I don't think they would have seen me, but they shouldn't have really. Fucking hell, man! Are you kidding me? The first one was a push. The second one definitely shouldn't have fucking gone. Quite tight as hell.
About take the second exit onto A113 London Road. Then turn left onto Epping Lane.
What are you two doing? Okay, just going round and round and roundabouts.
Turn left onto Epping Lane.
Impatient. It's a tight fucking corner. I just wait.
In 1.8 miles.
Unbelievable how many bad drivers today.
Cross Road. In 1,000 feet. Use the left lane to exit left. Then keep left. Exit to the left to junction 6 to M25. Then use the left lane to stay to the left to M25 towards Dartford Crossing. Use the left lane to stay to the left to M25 towards Dartford Crossing.
What a dickhead. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. What are you doing, you idiot? Don't break.
In 900 feet, at the roundabout, take the full
I've been
exit
caught by
onto
this before. I've gone in that lane and then ended up in the wrong
At
lane
the roundabout, take
after
the
this.
full
Sorry,
exit
this is the
onto
best way.
M25
But it says
towards
M25 north for both of these lanes, and then it says M25 north for both the lanes there, and then ends up exiting with one lane.
Yeah.
And it's all, I'm sorry, where are you
Yeah.
supposed to, how are you supposed to move into one lane?
Yes, I'm fearing the worst today. Villa have got quite a good record against us.
Yeah.
Why aren't they? Over the last few years.
And Emery's pretty decent as well. He's going to, what they'll do is sit back and then just catch us on the break with our high line.
Yeah. I do hope we don't play quite as high like this time.
Fucking idiot. You knew what you were doing.
Yes, you've got a nice big 70 yards, but you can just cut
Oh
everybody
my
up.
God.
And then another one. Still got roadworks on the slip road here.
Yeah, this is where you're supposed to somehow move over from that lane into. You just can't do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh no, the Audi's going into that second lane. Cutting up more people.
Yeah.
Go alongside.
Yeah.
I'm not going back on them. So, why would you? What does that gain you, man? You're sitting in like traffic with 3 cars, and you're just that lazy to cut the fucking roundabout when there's a car right in front of you.
Merchant of Venice reflection paper. Dr. Hanaday, I was wondering if you could quickly give feedback on what I wrote regarding the imagery of the light Dashcam. Please find the word doc attached. Sincerely, Cam. From michellehanaway5@gmail.com. Subject. LC, contact me ASAP. Your brothers are being unreasonable again and I need help. Are they? My roommate staggers into the kitchen, wearing onesie pajamas and a no chomsky sleep mask pulled up to her forehead. Also, swinging a plastic baseball bat like a mad woman. Leave now or I'll call 911. This is trespassing. CC, a misdemeanor and a felony. You will be arrested for battery. My cousin is taking the bar this year and she will sue you for millions of dollars. CC, no one's in here. Oh! She windmills the bat a few more times, blinking owlishly. Why are we screaming then? The fact that your porcupine decided to impersonate my mouse might be related. Hedgehog. You know she's a hedgehog. Do I? She yawns, tossing the bat back into the room. It misses, bouncing up to me across the chip linoleum floor. Smaller, cuter, quillier. Also, a Jezebeth Bennett, not a porcupine name.
Exit to the left to junction to A176.
Bit of foresight.
Then use the left lane to stay to the left to A176, never lane.